Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to reset control center on iPhone iOS 18. So for this purpose, what you need to do, open settings app on your mobile phone. Then in settings app, you need to scroll down and then click on general. In general, you need to scroll down and at the bottom, you have the option of transfer or reset iPhone. You simply need to click on it. Then at the bottom, you have two options. You simply need to click on reset. Then this reset option will pop up on your screen. Here you can see different reset options like reset all settings, reset network settings and other. For resetting control center, you simply need to click on reset all settings. By clicking on this button, your all data is saved but your all phone settings is reset. But this option reset all your phone, here's another way is that open settings app on your mobile phone. On settings app, you need to scroll down and click on control center. In control center, you have the option of reset control center. You need to click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the button of reset control center and cancel. Here what you need to do, click on reset control center. Once you click on it, you can see your control center is resetted. Here you can see my control center is also resetted. So these are the two simple ways to reset control center on iPhone iOS 18. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.